Hey, welcome back to your favorite channel Short Guide, and in this video I will show you how to add a note on Instagram posts and Reels. So let's check it, the tutorial. Open Instagram application and let's say that I
Present
want
is
to
all we
put
have.
a note on this first one post I see right now. Tap the share button, and on the down left in the screen you can see add a note. So tap the add a note. And let's leave a note like hi, you, so okay, and share it. And now let's leave a note on some of her posts. So let's find for some posts. She have a lot of reels, and this one post seems very nice. And let's leave her some compliment that yeah, and here there's tab on the left down and with a note uh her dresses looks very nice. And this is it how you can leave a note on posts and reels, and I hope it helps you guys. And if you like this video, just leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It's gonna really help me to gain this channel. Thanks, bye.